What is up? What is up? What is up, y'all? I am back in this vlog with a food vlog. I wasn't intending for this to be a food vlog, but I was grubbing this week. So might as well just put together kind of like my food diaries. This is really just a video of me showing you all the food I missed out on while in quarantine. So I pretty much made it up in just this 1 week eating out and just eating so damn good. I also wanted to do something a bit different in this vlog and actually narrate my vlogs. I'll see if this bodes well with you guys. Otherwise, it might seem kind of annoying or redundant. But let's just see what's going on in my head while I was filming these clips. I am gonna vlog this week because it is springtime and I'm feeling like I'm in a very good mood because the sun's out longer. I also figured this would be a nice week to vlog because I'm gonna be doing a little bit more outside of just climbing and working from home. I'm going to San Diego. I'm gonna maybe bake some bread. My boyfriend's been really into making bread and I'm just kind of like the sous chef. I'm the boo chef. Also, I think this time in my life is really transformative. It's a little over a year of quarantine. Or quarantine since COVID hit. So I remember I was vlogging at the very start of quarantine. And so I kind of just want to see like 1 year later, how has Kat been? Today, all I've been doing is pretty much working from home. I did laundry for a little bit. I just ate a bowl full of tortilla chips, so it is what it is, you know? Wow. Lunchtime. What would you call this salad? Cucumber, onion, tomato, mozzarella, balsamic vinaigrette.
I have basil.
That's everything in one bite.
Yeah.
We can multitask. Look at that. Whoa. Don't burn yourself.
Yeah. Whoa.
Wow. Whoa. That looks good.
Right.
It's all about that B-roll.
Oh yeah. B.
Okay, so if you wanted to visualize how much sugar is in 5 Cokes, this much sugar.
Like 1 cup. Up to here is about 1 cup.
Oh my gosh, crazy. Okay. Whee!
Let's just put a little bit and then just try it.
Cause
put like a 10th of a cup.
Cause the buns itself already has a little bit of sugar in it, right?
Yeah, just a little bit.
So you pretty much saute your pork and your shrimp, and you get a ladle. Position your meat.
Wow.
You have to swirl it.
Whoa. Dang, Annie, you should be climbing your forearm.
So then we got some mung bean.
Oh,
It's the white herb.
This right here was my first exposure to bunseo. I don't know if I said that correctly. I apologize if I butchered it. But might I just say, either Annie is an extravagant cook, which I do think she is, but this had to be one of the best things I've eaten recently. I think it was probably because it was the first time I've ever had this. Also, I'm very fond of more ethnic cuisines. And it was all things good in one. Meat, shrimp, crispiness. This batter is used with turmeric and all sorts of things, which I would have never thought to put in batter. People equate it to kind of like a crepe, but savory crepe.
Sweet side, and then his mom's more on like the lemony sour side.
Try both.
So you could try both. Yeah.
It's chicken.
So, oh yeah, it has
yeah.
Chicken chili.
you want to like see if it's.
Oh yeah, that nonstick really helps, huh?
Oh yeah, for sure. So you get to see like
Can't
the
do that
bottom
on
part.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll let it a little bit. So and then we get some tomatoes. I usually don't eat it with tomatoes, but I like tomatoes. So we just get a piece of this. Oh yeah, you could look at George's. You just get like a piece
This
of
is
this.
mine.
Wow. That's a big boy.
Look how crispy this is.
It's like almost like a spring roll.
Yeah, so you kind of get a piece of this. Just put that in there, and then you kind of wrap it.
That looks delicious.
Like that. And then you could dip your fish sauce.
This is a dipping sauce. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so guess.
Oh, yeah! Thank you. Hello. Oh, it feels nice in here.
No, it turned 80. It was 71 this morning.
Yeah, it was hot. So here at my climbing gym, there's something called the World Cup Weekly, aka some gyms call it Slab of the Week. I some weeks are motivated to complete it. There's some weeks I could absolutely not give two damns about it because I can't even start the first move. But this one was promising because I was able to get a decent way up to it. So I worked on it for about a good 30 minutes and then I finally sent it. A friendly climber told me the beta to go around and under rather than over the top, which is a sketchier way to top out. So I eventually got it. Here's how a typical dinner looks for both me and David. This is just some homemade food that we quickly put together. I love the little duo action we have going on where he usually makes the main and I make the sides. And yes, this is us watching Ippo. I've recently gotten into anime, never would have thought I'd say that. And we finally got to try the milk buns that he made completely from scratch and I helped. These are taro milk buns. He recently learned how to make them and he's just popping off and making essentially bakery quality straight to your home. Oh.
But,
Wow, look at all the Montserrat font plants.
you know my friend called it Monster A?
Okay, so should we do like a little review? Wait, which one should I eat first? Taro or red bean?
I personally like the taro a lot.
Okay, well, I'm gonna just eat taro first. Okay. Okay, the taro. It smells so good and it's so fluffy.
Completely homemade.
This is fresh.
Yeah.
Who will win?
Corgi meets corgi. Oh my gosh, they're twins. On Friday, I visited Jacqueline, good old Jacqueline, at San Diego. I actually spent my weekend here. I like that I have many excuses to come down to San Diego because I have so many friends living there. So Jacqueline's always a nice excuse. Well, of course I want to see her, but also it's a nice excuse to get away from my city.
It do be smelling good.
That Friday night, we spent some time at Liberty Public Market, which is in Point Loma. We saw some interesting beer flavors, like this taiyaki one with red bean. Just in general, it was quite an experience for me to be going out and about because we've all been cooped up for such a long time. I feel like quarantine has shaped and molded me in a way that I appreciate more introversion time, which could be a really big benefit.
I'm eating. Bye. 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 See you. Probably over there. Oh, right there, right there. The black one right there.
No, like recycling.
Oh, well, yeah.
Yeah, it's ready.
So ready. She said it's ready.
You gotta count me off.
Oh, okay. In 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Are you ready?
Kind of burnt, I think.
In 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Okay, that
yeah,
was
no,
still
that's
a little
good.
off, but
No,
that's
it's okay.
a perfect golden
No,
color,
that is
though.
so golden. Wow.
Vinyl.
Vinyl.
As a community leader
eater right there.
That is community.
Who did that?
Work smart, not hard.
Not harder.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Walk.
This is the walk. This is
Walking.
Jacqueline.
Oh, this is me being a celebrity. Who's like,
Don't like. I'm just
oh
taking
God,
out my
stop.
recyclables.
I'm just like,
I'm just taking my morning walk.
that.
I'm just like such a celebrity. Paparazzi, get away from me.
I'm so
Stop. Ah.
I went. It took a long time for them to bring out their other food because they prepare it on order.
Shook it too. Should I decorate mine too?
Drink the water.
Yeah, it could be kind of like oceany, but maybe you could check it out.
You guys have anything else for me?
All done. Annie ate everything except the actual meat. She's storing it in her mouth. Oh, this lighting's really good though.
You see that, Annie?
Good view. Yeah. Oh, it's German.
It's German.
What was your drink called, baby?
Is it good?
It's a Duckzilla Duck something Duck IPA.
Woohoo! Yeah.
It's a Duck IPA. Ducky Puff.
Your beer. Yeah, onion ring. Oh, that's onion ring.
This says redemption time for cat films experience.
Crazy.
Oh yeah, that's my favorite.
Is it very different? Okay.
Oh, that's big.
What is Cat eating? A big ass rib. Dog's not moving. Oh.
This is for me.
Oh, you.
talk to anybody.
Except for Henry.
Yeah, no, really. Like I really don't talk. I didn't really talk to very many people. Other people talk to me. Like if we're working on the same problem.
Which meant the fact that she was once demon possessed means
all got the same thing.
This looks great, but the bread you gave me looks better.
Oh, okay. I wasn't recording you.
Oh, come on, Kat. Now it's not gonna sound natural if I say it.
Yay, bro.
Coconuts aren't red either.
I want taro with my Oreo.
So you just want the bread?
Yeah, I just want a little piece of bread.
God damn it. Dude.
Okay, I'll pull the taro.
You
Ready?
gotta do it for the video. Come on.
That was the
Oh, that was
ugliest hair
so
ever.
bro. We're deleting you. But this
Okay,
looks
but
good.
try it. Is this both your guys' first time?
Yes. We're virgins. We're taro virgin.
With ice cream in hand.
Ooh. I definitely can't taste the taro because this is so sweet compared to it.
It's good.